Jack and Jill to went up the hill.
Jharkhand at present stands at a very significant turning point in its educational journey. A moment where visionary leadership, strong resolve, and the will to transform are shaping a new direction for the future. Under the leadership of the Honorable Chief Minister Shri Hemant Soren ji, Jharkhand has taken several concrete steps to achieve the goals of the National Education Policy 2020 and the Nippon Bharat Mission. Today, these efforts have reached more than 2.4 million children studying in over 35,000 government schools, where every child enters school with a dream and every teacher is committed to turn their dream into reality. Initiatives such as Mera Vidyalaya Nipun, Main Bhi Nipun and the FLN Championship have played a crucial role in assessing teaching quality, understanding children's learning levels, and creates effective learning opportunities. Although, with this progress, a serious challenge remains. The Parak National Survey 2024 reveals that only 55% of Class 3 children have reached Nipun level proficiency in language and just 51% in mathematics. These figures are not merely statistics, they are a call for transformation. To address this challenge, under the guidance of the Honorable Chief Minister, a major initiative has been launched: the Lifted District Education Innovation Challenge. The Lifted DEIC is a 3-year mission aimed at strengthening foundational language and numeracy skills for every child, promoting innovation at the district level, and building robust data-driven decision-making systems. This mission rests on 3 core pillars: visibility, clear and transparent data, through the eVidya Vahini app and monthly scorecards. Each district will gain a clear picture of its real-time performance, enabling timely improvements. Guidance, support at every step. Monthly review meetings, strategic mentoring, workshops, and expert-led training will provide continuous support. Momentum, celebrating excellence. Quarterly and annual recognition for top-performing and most improved districts. Changemaker spotlights to showcase exemplary work by teachers and school leaders. Public leaderboards and exposure visits to motivate educators and encourage knowledge exchange. This journey began in October 2025 with district onboarding and data analysis, setting new benchmarks for progress in the years to come. This is not just a program. It is a firm commitment by the Government of Jharkhand and the Education Department to strengthen school education, working hand in hand with every teacher and school leader to enhance every child's learning potential.